Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will talk about why certificates don't guarantee a job, basically a tech job or IT job. Uh, so, certificates are often marketed as a shortcut to a tech job or any job where you need certificates. Complete this course, pass this exam, and you will be job ready. But many people collect certifications and still struggle in interviews. The problem is not certification themselves. The problem is what people expect from them. So certifications test knowledge, not a problem solving. They show that you understand concepts, but they don't prove you can apply them in real situations. In real jobs, you are expected to debug issues, make decisions, understand trade offs. These skills come from practice, not exams. So, certificates are useful when they support hands on learning. They can guide what to study and provide structure, but relying only on certifications creates a false sense of readiness. Uh, a better approach is to treat certifications as a validation, not the goal. So build skills first, then use certifications to support them. If you have certificates but no skills, then those certificates are meaningless. So that's all in this video. Uh, Hopes you got the difference between getting a certifications and getting a skill. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Like and share. If you subscribe, it's good. Uh, Else, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.